In this simulation, we are going to study the formation of covalent bonding. Covalent bonding is formed between nonmetals. There are 4 electrons in the outer shell of carbon. So, this means that it needs another 4 electrons to fill this shell. Filling the shell means having 8 electrons in the outermost shell. That's why carbon shares 4 pairs of electrons with 4 hydrogen atoms. Hydrogen has a single electron. It needs only 1 electron to fill its shell. Unlike other atoms, hydrogen completes its outer shell by only 2 electrons. So each hydrogen needs 1 electron to fill its shell, and carbon needs 4. So carbon will form 4 covalent bonds with 4 hydrogen atoms. The atoms attract each other, and the carbon atom forms covalent bonds with 4 hydrogen atoms to produce methane, CH4. As you can see, carbon is sharing 4 pairs of electrons with 4 hydrogen atoms. This gives the carbon atom and each of the hydrogen atoms a full outer shell. Remember, covalent bonding is sharing of electrons. What about double covalent bonding? Double covalent bonding means sharing 2 pairs of electrons, and not only 1 as we saw earlier. Oxygen atoms have 6 electrons in their outer shell. Carbon atoms have 4 electrons in their outer shell. So oxygen needs 2 electrons to fill its outer shell, while carbon needs 4 electrons to fill its outer shell. What happens is the atoms attract and 2 oxygen atoms bond with 1 carbon atom to form carbon dioxide. We have 2 double covalent bonds, giving all the atoms a full outer shell. This double covalent bond means sharing 2 pairs of electrons between the atoms.